I say you want back fist off a woman that you left on screen a back fist. If Copper Stars never know Copper Stars to get it beat in the same way because he love bring down people.
People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdnation, and today we're gonna continue on with the one Copper Stars situation. But before we get into that video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a lot and it literally costs you nothing. With that being said, let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy. Popular TikToker BRIT had this to say about Copper Stars.
I say you want back fist off a woman that you left on screen a back fist. If Copper Stars never know Copper Stars to get it beat in the same way because he love bring down people.
Lord Clad, come and investigate when you hear mix up over your cream.
You might run in evidence and say, so no see transmission, I say me back fist in a bed and the transmission post one of them picture when in a bed for real, bro. And the man there on live I say no was a transmission, bro. And the woman I say, you did know. And them the thing they have to do for viral, bro. Man, bad man. Bro, me no response no dog. I tell me no know no boyfriend nowhere. I'm to the dog. No man a White House no one soon.
John, I stuck up a sauce go on.
Brother, who know 9G know say me now come and say come tell no lie. You know that to Jay. From me see a thing I go cut off some man. Bro, me cut off some boy cause me a one boy, we no fear no boy with this.
Yeah,
when a boy come, when a boy forget this, me now go answer them. Cause me no answer one me this them. Then could I do 10 video, bro? Me no answer them. Yeah, that. No boy with them on live with no transmission can't come for size up with me, bro. No boy. Yeah, that. And then after done, I go build video, boy. Then they on live with transmission, and nobody now talk about them. Boy, lift up, boy.
Viewers and subscribers, please do share your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Now on to the next clip. TikToker share this up Copper Stars real bad. Take a listen.
Weak!
Bro, you know, have to see pussy that one time, bro.
Boy!
Boy, them want that Germany. If you come tell us, pick up money to eat, man.
Batty boy, Copper Stars, all your voice to hear in the video to suck your mother. Oof!
We get the video, dog.
Voice tonight, suck your mother. You're weak, pussy, go suck your mother, you're weak. Play, Batty boy, you're weak.
Yeah.
Big man thing. I'm not the young man take out them mood and show them girl pan video call, see?
Yeah.
But if you show a girl pan video call and the girl only show your body for 8 minutes and ask for see the pussy at one time.
A body we want to see, man.
You want to see one time to old Batty boy, go suck your mother, you're Batty man.
Brother, the man might use girl to cover themselves, brother.
Hear him now.
Boy knows your man long time. The boy the been know. Mountain, me your man, Zin. Mountain, me your man, Zin.
Yeah, G.
And if we don't know shape on the app, Zin and Shay jumping up with DM and left our number. What first thing you think that me and you going to do when we see that person where we don't know left number in our DM? What first thing we going to do?
Well, first thing we done do, investigate, does the same.
Look at who that bomb.
Look at who, investigate.
Him never do it, him jumping on WhatsApp same time. We won't know who long pussy.
Yeah, him have a long conversation about come on Germany. The device there, the invite them on it. A Batty boy. A video call in the pan, be a video call.
And you know the next part of the video I get me, bro. In the next part of the video you get me. The man is like, alright, this is when him pick up. We can say him pick up, say him no say a transmission.
Yeah.
But him continue because him say,
wait
a minute, I show you how I know say yo him pick up. The man saying I video say yo, all me I show you my woulda be a body I show me. I know you not show me a pussy, but see my woulda go and look pan it.
Batty boy, man.
All fish.
Alright. Listen this here.
Me a go. Me sell batty a back road. Me hungry.
Who say you said this, you know?
Me a batty man. Me a go.
Copper Shark, and you said this, you know? Bumbo Clad.
Me a batty man. Me a
Torture chamber we run pussy. And you this? Bumbo Clad, yeah. Who said this, yeah?
batty man. Me a go.
And I hear say, and you this a see them.
Me naked. Me a waste man a walk out. Me a batty man. Me a go. Me sell batty a back road. Me hungry. Me sell batty a
I'm telling you all the while, you know, brother. I'm tired of telling you all the time. Digital footprints, pussy, no one had up on the app. When I'm picking them, come see this, I know. When I tell them, say, I went Joe.
I
tell them, say, I went Joe.
God's confession good for the soul.
And that's why transmission jump. Lord Clark, don't. You know, along with the life I beat him, I just choose him when I smoke and then restrict me. I'm here, I can't do wow. When I have my life I beat him, you know.
Lord Clark.
Boy, I sell batty about clothes. And come and look sympathy. And then look at who him look for come defend him. Destiny. You want for the next challenge and come defend you.
Batty boy, man, I tell you, man, a weak boy.
Look at who your friend. Eat all he can. And them are your friend. I bite off of the breast pan life. You want to see it up? Come and screen a card him, you know. Come and say a lie me, I tell you.
And a Germany destiny, so they can go send a soul to them.
We want to go to Germany.
I can't post a video until she get an interstellar. God know.
Watch out. Look at Italian now, watch out. Watch Italian. Watch out. Watch out. I'm mother, how is that? I'm mother.
Him all man, him ugly all man. When she ugly, she figure destiny. Don't buckle. Come here, copper stars. Are you all man that? She favor that. What kind of man? Buck. And are you want to come class me? And you fuck all man? Suck your mother.
I think I'm mother, you know. Favor him, you
Show
fuck.
all your fuck.
Please leave your thoughts on that down in the comment section below. Now my viewers, the next clip is quite long, so grab some popcorn and some soda, or in Jamaica, grab a bag juice and a cheese chicks and kick back and enjoy the next clip. This next clip, they are making fun of the video that the transmission took of copper sauce. Take a look.
Comfortable. I want to blood clad this.
No.
You're comfortable. Look how you're comfortable on video call. Come here, Batty Root. Watch him. Him smile, watch him. Your favorite smiggle coming a lot of the rings. You're fucking ugly like. Watch him and smile.
Big up yourself so for the gift.
Your favorite smiggle. Ugly fucking mother scunt.
Cover sauce. Well, if no, they tell us the man know.
Him know. Look how much video call you depend. The amount of video call them here.
And them time when them a video call the person do not tell me say, look how your friend easy to sell out. I mean I say, Jaja, I mean I say a liar, you're a liar man, copper sauce a bad boy. Me about copper sauce they tell they say, the man they not sell out for nobody, a bad boy then. And when the person send me video, me I say, bumbo clot. I can't have a bad friend that. I can't have a bad man go past us that.
Him body not mine.
Quick to sell out.
Him and the old man, but they want to some.
Him comfortable, no blood clot. Look how you're comfortable. Other part they catch me. You're comfortable, you sit down nice.
Yeah.
You're alright.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Was saying the first video call where me and him come and say how long it
Yeah,
was.
me see that one day.
How long it was. Tell the people them how many minutes it is.
See it there?
Tell them how much minutes
One.
it is.
1 minute, that one, yeah. That one here, 1 minute.
Okay.
Alright. This a 1 minute. This a 8. This a 20. This a 6 minutes. Bumbo clock.
I
I
like.
work you go, man. Copper. So I put it for hours them, yeah, man. No man a relationship thing, this man.
Guys,
It's a relationship.
the screen and send some of the live goals, guys. Please and thanks.
That's some relationship business them, yeah, man.
And I tell myself I buy a ticket come a Barbados to him and him woman do threesome. But I never see her yet. I never know that she even there hear some of the conversation.
Yeah,
She
man,
was
Copper
there.
Stars, a good conversation. station here and twinkle sit down on phone and have man.
Enough time I must tear up underneath me. Him should have right there. You can look and see my look on her. Should have right there look.
No man, this is comfortable. Watch ya, alright? Him put on him phone now. Him sit on right at the bed right this. I want if I think I wanna really talk about some make that video card along so.
One down because him start jerk.
Wait no, me a look. Wait it
watch the video.
Remember say it long, you know. Me take the time. Alright. Him sit down right at the bed now. Watch him face.
Blood clot! Jesus Christ!
Alright, him quint him eye for you. So when woman there when them during
She
them
there. She's there.
Oh.
She's there. The one when me there shake my body theme a few minutes, she there right there and him look on her, look back because she looking at the video. She looking at the camera.
Me a watch it kinda long but me a look.
Yeah, them long, ma.
What you know? Him have a lot to say. Him have a lot to say though. Watch him a blush.
You go hear me even ask me in one of the video them you go hear what I said to him. I don't ever think you can't hear my voice, but you go hear what I said so you know what I said to him.
Oh, you're going back to Jamaica?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I never know. I didn't know. I think I just left Boogie and her.
I think I run me from Jamaica.
I run. You know you run.
Yeah, I run away. When me do run from Jamaica.
You tell me, are you coming out with tape?
Everybody can't come out with it. Yeah, I don't know.
Because I was like, no, Jesus Christ, if I'm going to the police, them come kill him, no, but you guys you know.
The police are going to kill me.
The police, yeah.
Don't kill me for me.
But just not like them, so that was my speculation.
I saw a black boy on the media. Vlog and make video about it.
Your earring can't style people.
But me even when I watch them, I call them.
Okay.
Then I did them there. I'm not really much.
I'm a station
And not one time I look him in the conversation, just listen. Not one time I bring fuck to him.
Bad people.
Police never see me with a gun and them see me with a clip fine and see me with a police are holding me, king of police can't come hold me.
Tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the tap. Thank you. Thank you, Mandy. For the rose.
Come by me, that come down to try to die. I look like them or somebody, man. So,
me literally sorry to be dead, so I don't tell you it's like a fan too. So,
and all of that a lie me a tell. I'm gonna watch him.
I get what I say, even though I
You try when I dead, but I lie me a tell.
No? So it hurt. Still on the Amazon.
so you
Germany.
So we make the money as a dear.
200,000?
Huh?
200,000?
You know what I said? What I said?
2.5. 2.5. Depends on the station you're in.
You know the topic we want?
That's what I'm telling you, say that Panama, Barbados or wherever, that's good because they're already one plane away. I took 4 planes to get here. Panama, Mexico, then Germany. But I had a ticket for Israel. I have a ticket like you're going to Israel. But you have to get rid of that. You get what I'm saying?
So we have to get rid of it.
The tears up. When I put Germany and tear the
Him
Israel.
want go Germany. Him a look at ticket, him say too expensive. Why it's so much?
Connected flight, you have to make it look like you pass through. But you're landing up.
Thank you, wheelchair. Thank you.
I'm in Germany.
Forward, thank you so much.
To asylum. Find a reason to tell him say one more asylum and can't go back to the country.
Yeah, no.
That's how all of the back to man them do it. The amount of friend man have from back to.
Talk, copper sauce, talk.
That's all. That's all. I'm report until you see what's happening.
You know, said I mean every other country. When they run across America about that, you have to go to the people that want to say one asylum. I'll do them go pick you up because I did it. I did it last year, but I come back. America don't make sense. Germany give you money, them give you own place. America now do that, you have to stay in a shelter with my people.
This is I'm not bring nothing to him though. Just wait now, wait.
You're a month till you get a job.
Go down a little more, go down a little more.
I just something to think about tonight. You know, say you never did plan for like leave Jamaica, it's no problem, but me just there think like when I ask him, you know.
So, brother, it's
You're in brother.
what's it mean? I don't want to bring to me. I never run over it. So,
Exactly, but you have somebody who have a clue about it.
so, when you go on to my German, how that go?
You've got officer them is all over the head, but you just go to them, tell them you want to seek an asylum. And then draft up the paper, they tell them what you need to tell them, and them send up on one camp. You go on like 1 week, you take 1 week, you go see.
You call Twinkle brother. You know about it. Why you keep on a say brother? Why you keep on a call her brother? Yeah, your brother conversation every minute. Just step on brother.
You know, someone never recognize it, I never realize.
Me and listen, him the pan brother.
You know who you be, man. You know who you be.
I never realize it.
Him know. I go like him no know.
Come on, father.
Nobody now use the double for you. I want to see double just a waste of salad, baby. Use the double, please.
Oh, that's when them you and him the pan the live. Okay. Watch him fierce. Watch him up. Watch him teeth. Watch teeth. Oh, him dip on live. I if you dip on him phone. How are the blood clot? This if can't focus.
No, she
Why
dead here.
can't
She
focus?
dead here. In other video there, she dead here. She a look pan him. She a look pan
He
me too.
can't focus.
She a look pan me too.
Me blood clot. He can't focus. Him love where.
Clear the last one. I'm saying, you know, clear the last one.
Why, Deborah?
Yeah, I mean, well, so I'm there for the most of that.
Yes.
Copper Sazuma.
You know? Come like, yeah, look somebody cocky if you come screenshot or something. Yeah? Why you just want to seem like big cocky, so you know my cocky big already, where you want to see?
Blood clot.
Wait!
Because him show me already in the first video. The last video me send up on WhatsApp. He show me that's the first video call.
Wait.
Send up some live goals, guys. The live nice. Send up some live
Hold on. Copper Star. Wait. This a tape.
Guys,
Tap on my screen there, everybody over here. Tap on my
never
screen.
rape. Not trick.
Wait. Hold on.
You know rape or trick.
Hold on to blood. Woo.
Tap on my screen there, everybody. Tap it up.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the flower, sweetie. Thank you.
I'm so one for the one, I'm also like. Come like, yeah, look somebody, like if you come screenshot or something.
If you didn't think me I gonna do that, why you still show me?
Right.
Why you don't want to see like big cocky, so you know cocky big already, what you want to see from? I mean, but...
I thought you have to go spend mountain, girl.
Yeah, sister. This girl, me deal with you.
I'm gonna take it out too. Wait.
Oh, deal now. I'm cocky, sister. I'm miss you. What do I say? What do you mean by ticket clean?
When I look clean.
Yeah, been over me. I feel wonder if I feel wonder if I'm pussy or I can't see her pussy.
You can't see it, it's too expensive. Euro, check 100,000 euro, it's too expensive. Thank you guys, thank you so much, Mandy.
Yo, my team, tap up his screen, we got 30,000 tap it.
Watch him.
Guys, everybody follow Mandy, okay?
Watch him.
I tell her right now, he miss me.
With your phone over here.
Every time I go up on the phone with him, peace.
Yeah.
When I come from Barbados, I know them here phone. But I live near. When I near the phone.
I got hear him ask me if I do 3 songs.
3 or 4, you know, Barbados.
And the woman ugly, me really think some would tend to it with she. No, my love. She would have to go. The mom still bad. Wow.
Yeah, I'm going to give me a 3 song.
Since I'm not lying, I don't lie. She asked him to ask me. And I'm a bad man. You should have done get 3 some years ago.
Say that, come back, profit.
We listen, but we don't judge.
Sus.
You should have put my live. For hate speech, what kind of hate speech?
Me I go come on.
Dev. Okay, what kind of hate speech do them terrible?
This is crazy though. This Copper Sauce. Are you ready for this? Because you promised me 40 days and 40 nights. You ready? Cause we can do it, you know. You ready? You ready for go viral? You ready for just make me know? You ready for take me down? Cause me ready, you know. Me ready, you know. Cause remember me have everything for you know. Me ready.
No, we have to wonder the woman is a transmission for sure.
No, we have to wonder the woman when there is a transmission. Cause you well want threesome.
Alright, so I send her the video them and so.
Alright, I will get them to Mountain. No problem, I just send them.
Alright, so later guys.
Alright, mama, later.
Alright.
You make how much video with me and send video people and send my video. What is video with this, that? You make video with me. Well, your video gone now. I mean, I post it until. Cause I forgot Mount Flex go see it. Mountain.
People, that are it now for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. It helps us out a bunch and it literally costs you nothing. Also, if you have it, please don't be afraid to support us on Patreon. People, that are it for now. Birdnation, stay sharp.